Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up? Okay, so now we are in Chandi Dasa area in East Bali, and then yeah, behind me is a very small road, especially in kampung, like you know,
Like a
very
village
small
life.
village life in Chandi Dasa. So yeah, we will have a small lunch in a very traditional food, and it was just exist from long time ago and then until now. Let's see. Okay, so this place is actually legend with the sate lilit marlin, pepes ikan marlin, and round iga ikan. And then how they made is still very traditional. Let's see, come here, I'll show you. Niki, sate apa ibu?
Sate marlin.
Oh, sate lilitnya.
Ya,
Yang sate yang putih niki apa?
itu isinya dalam.
Oh, isinya di dalamnya. Okay, so this one is sate lilit for marlin, and he's grilling it. Okay, so this one is the pepes. Pepes is just like you are making grilling something, and then you cover it with a banana leaf like this. All this one, I think the egg fish with the Balinese seasoning, spice seasoning. And this is how you grill it in a traditional way. I already can smell so good.
And this one, what is this? This one here.
Niki apa ibu? Oh, bumbu rajang. So this is a Balinese spice to make the pepes.
And this place is like inside the local Balinese house actually. So it's very small, cozy place. We're gonna eat here, and here obviously is the house, like a small family business. So that's actually pretty cool. Our food arrived. Check this out. Looks super tasty and looks a little bit spicy, but I think so. It's not really spicy, right? What do you think?
It is.
It is spicy.
Yeah.
Okay, but we will try. All right. So this is the food. All is fish actually. 3 different types: satay, nasi, soup. Sayang already eat it. Cannot resist, right?
Smacznego, selamat makan.
Smacznego.
How is it, honey?
So you said this is level super spicy, right? All right, let's try. I have a cola, so should be fine.
Look at that, man.
That is nice.
So good.
All right. Honestly, the fish was very nice. I really like it, especially the ambience and everything, very local. But the spicy level was very advanced. To be honest, I feel really like spicy hot everywhere, in my tummy, in my throat, everywhere. And we are just exploring around the area, and we find out as here is some resort what I didn't even know about existence. So I think we're gonna try. Maybe they have a coffee, because I really need to kill the taste of the spice. It's so bad. Even for Winnie was so hard, right?
Yeah.
So spicy.
That's good.
Let's go.
Wow.
Hey, it's actually not so bad here. I never been. I didn't know it's like this here.
So we decided to have afternoon tea here. They have I don't know that they have a quite affordable price. I mean, like for 85, you get a bunch of the afternoon tea. So yeah, why not? We just have it and look at the view of the resort. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful resort. I don't know that in Chandi Dasa there is a one big beautiful resort, and it seems like busy. You see that over there also there are guests, and behind us also guests. And I think that the government meeting also here, because when we park a car in the garage, I mean in the lobby, there are quite many people. Alright, so we would like to say thank you for those who already sent us videos. Last time we also put it in the YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. You have such beautiful videos. And then I don't know that our viewers also talented to be vloggers. You guys so brilliant. Thank you so much. It's very nice vibe here. So that's the local warung. I don't know that Chandi Dasa has a white sand beach like this. And look at the sand. Looks so pure white. And the coconut trees. Beautiful. And Damian having his coffee there. I just want to show you little bit about the resort. Really, I don't really know about this resort before. We just came here because we got spicy and then we really need to have a coffee. They have a swimming pool, overview the ocean.
All right, so we are in Chandi Dasa city center right now, and we're gonna have a little stroll around, see how is the situation currently right now.
Yeah, we've got so many emails and then requests asking that can you take us to Chandi Dasa and showing how is the life there nowadays.
So yeah, this is the time. Enjoy.
Okay, seems like some hotels are open. I think that the same situation like, you know, previous days. So some hotels are open and some hotels are still closed, bungalows or, you know, like the restaurants also, some open and some still closed. And Chandi Dasa, I think time by time remain the same.
Yeah, I think so. Like when he said this hotel, this restaurants remains open, but it's empty or not so busy. And yeah, usually the Chandi Dasa street is like this, but this is the main street to East Bali, so it's always busy by trucks or by car who travel between Sanur Denpasar and Amet, or I don't know, going anywhere. So that's why it's feeling like it's quite busy, but actually they are just travelers around. But well, that's how it looks. The difference is that there are some small warungs with the souvenirs like this one, like clothes, are open, but many warungs, like for example this one's, remains totally closed and looks abandoned, I would say. All right, so that's how it briefly looks. The situation is very hot if you are interested about the weather conditions. And we also got one request to show you how it looks, the situation in the famous hot dog bar, hot dog warung, where is so many legendary place in Chandi Dasa, at least many of you asking for that place. So we are heading down and we will see. All right, and here we go. We are in the legendary place, the hot dog shop. No nasi goreng, burgers, dogs, and beer. Burger, dogs, beer only. So no Indonesian food. This is the owner. How are you, my friend?
Good, thank you, sir.
How are you doing? All good?
I'm doing terribly bad,
Terrible bad, right?
but I'm enjoying it.
That's the most important thing, as you enjoy it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my friend. And that's how it looks like.
And if we're short on seats, we can always put the kids up there.
Kids up there?
Oh, look at that!
The children, if they're being naughty, okay?
All right, all right, all right. That's how it looks. Hello, how are you? Check this out.
Look, the world famous hot dog shop in Chandi Dasa, Bali.
So cool.
Cheers!
No nasi goreng. That's it. Cheers, guys.
Enjoy.
Thank you. All right. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, thank you. Cheers, big ears.
What's happened, Saya?
I got this one. You have to make a 4 coins in the line. You can make it diagonal, vertical, or horizontal. I won the first row.
Good job. Good job.
This is what you say.
All right, guys. So that's before we met Gary, the famous legend guy in Chandi Dasa, and then yeah, so happy to meet him and then have a wee talk with him, play also card and everything. So happy.
And yeah, that's how it looks. Today's our day in the East Bali in Chandi Dasa area. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. We are traveling quite, showing you new places around in this week because we have a few days off and everything. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow, yeah?
Bye!
See you, take care, guys.